Ladies and gentlemen, remember the 30th anniversary celebration doesn't end here. Stay tuned for an eclectic lineup and activities throughout the year as we continue to commemorate this special milestone. To value our attendance, we look forward to celebrating many more successful years with Cheras Leisure Mall. Now, dear tenants and our invited guests, please feel free to help yourselves to some light refreshments near the information counter behind. After your 楼上, after your 以上, you may actually join us at